period of a number of years, my wife and I had discussed putting some sort of a statue down here in Duncan that would have some notoriety. And we knew that we wanted to have a theme, something to do with the Chisholm Trail. I got a hold of his son, who was Paul Moore, and told him that we were interested in doing something with the Chisholm Trail, and wanted to know if he was interested in doing such a project. Well, he indicated that he was indeed interested. And so we really liked what we saw. We thought it really did depict what we had hoped for.
None of this could have happened without the dream of one individual person, and that's Tom McCaslin. And I want to thank you, Tom, and the McCaslin Foundation for not only believing in this dream, but also following through and doing so much for the community.
Why did you do all this? What was the idea? One of the things that we'd like for 100 years from now for people to come to this site and perhaps get a glimpse why we're here. At least one of the elements for the state of Oklahoma that brings people to this state, instead of having them just pass through and say, yes, I went through Oklahoma, I would like for those people all across the nation to know of the Chisholm Trail, know of this monument, the other things that are on the Chisholm Trail, and say, I stopped in Oklahoma and I was impressed with Oklahoma and what they have to offer and their heritage. And that is the things that I would like to have this statue accomplish in the years to come. This was the greatest movement of animals controlled by man that has ever been known. And that's something that's truly unique in this world.